watching these birds fly and how they stay together and how they control their flight in the wind, move their bodies, their wings. It's beautiful. Do you ever look up and see what's up there in the skies? How beautiful the clouds are, or the birds, the moon, the stars. See how these two just stay together and fly? I wish I had wings. I used to when I was a kid. When I was little, I would try to build wings from tree branches with leaves on them. Put them together and try to make wings and run down the back hill. Of course, I never got off the ground. I've always wanted to fly. Got to jump out of an airplane on Aaron's 18th birthday. Took him skydiving. And I work on airplanes, so that's pretty cool, I guess. I got to fly a private plane once with a flight instructor, a friend of mine. He let me fly over Fort Worth.